show you how to put in your augmented reality character into your scene. So the first thing you need is you're going to need the HP Reveal app, and you're going to open that up, and it's going to bring you to this page here, and up in the corner you've got a plus sign. That's where you're going to create your new one, and you see this bar up here. That's going to be very important in just a second. So you go up to your image, and when you do your image, you want to make sure your image is where it's going to be in your final project, so that anything that's around it, the application's going to know that that's normally going to be there. So let's say I want to put my little character over here on this little iceberg. I'm going to bring the app up here, and I'm going to wait until this little dot that's flying across is in this green area. And once it's in that green area, I'm going to take the picture, and then it'll bring me here. Now it's asking me to choose my overlay. That's where my little character is going to be. So you can have, there's library options here if you want, but I already have my character, the picture of my character saved to my device. So I'm going to click on device over here, and I'm going to press upload, and I'm going to pick photo album. This is also a point where if you wanted, you could also just take a picture of it right then. And I'm going to go into my photos, and here is my cute little poofin guy. I'm going to press use, and he, if you want to name him, you can. So I can name him. You do not have to, it is optional. And what's going to happen is he's going to pop in there, and now I can just pinch and make him smaller and bigger, and I can move him around anywhere I want. And let's say I want him to end up right there in my end shot, and all I have to do is press next, and then I can name him. I will name him the Poofin. And here's channels. We can talk about that in another video, but that's just for you to pick who is able to see that. So I'm going to pick myself, and we're going to press done. And now we can go down to this fun little part right here. That makes him be able to show up, and I can bring him up to my poster.